Hey, Bob, have you heard about the tour plan for next month?
Yeah, I did. I'm really excited about it. Do we have any details on when we're leaving?
I think Sarah mentioned something about leaving on the 15th. Does that work for you?
The 15th sounds perfect. How long are we planning to stay?
We're thinking about a week. So, we'd be back by the 22nd.
Great! Where exactly are we going?
The plan is to head to the mountains. We'll be staying at that cabin near the lake.
That sounds amazing. Who all is coming?
Besides you and me, there's Sarah, Mike, and Emma. So, a nice small group.
Awesome! I can't wait to get some fresh air and do some hiking. Do we need to bring anything specific?
Just the usual stuff, clothes for hiking, maybe some snacks. Sarah said she'd take care of the food for the first couple of days.
Perfect. I'll start packing this weekend. Do we need to chip in for anything before we go?
Yeah. Sarah is booking the cabin and the van. We'll split the cost once she finalizes everything.
Sounds good. Let me know if there's anything else we need to do.
Will do. It's going to be such a fun trip.